Hey you guys, and happy Monday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, June 7th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 13th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's deals. In this transaction, you guys, I did have a digital booster get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $45. I did not have any paper boosters. For some reason, paper boosters have not been printing out for me. Let me know down in the comment section, are any of y'all getting paper boosters, or is it just my account that's not getting the paper boosters? Because I really wanted to get a paper booster. But anyway, everything that you see here cost me a total of $10.92, which in my opinion is a really good deal. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Cheerios. So with the Honey Nut Cheerios, these are priced this week at Walgreens for $2.79. I purchased 2 boxes, so $2.79 times 2 is $5.58. We do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.58 minus that $1 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $4.58. And then IBOTTA has a rebate for 75 cents back. I think the limit is 5, but I only did 2. So I got back 75 cents times 2, which is $1.50. So $4.58 minus that $1.50 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $3.08 for both boxes, or it makes each one $1.54. But not only that, you guys, I did not know that I had General Mills rebate tracking on Fetch Rewards. So when I scanned my receipt to Fetch Rewards, I actually got back $3.02. So both boxes of these cereal pretty much ended up being completely free. And then next I got Tide Downy Pods, Downy Unstoppables. I got some Downy fabric softener back there. And then I also got the Tide Ultra Oxy. So with those 4 items, they are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So with those items, each one is priced at $5.49. So $5.49 times 4 is $21.96. There is a $2.05 digital coupon for the Downy Pods, a $1 digital coupon for the Downy fabric softener, $2 digital for the Downy Unstoppables, and a $1.50 digital for the Tide Oxy. So that's a total of $6.55 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $6.55 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $15.41. I did receive back my $5 register reward right here, bringing my total down to just $10.41 for all 4 products, or it makes each product $2.60. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed the Tide Pods 42 count and then the Downy Beads. Both of these items are priced at $12.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward, and then you will also receive a $5 registry reward when you spend $20 on P&G. So I purchased both of those products, and that brought my grand total to $25.98. There's a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pods and a $3 digital coupon for the Downy Beads. So that's a total of $6 in digital coupons. So $25.98 minus the $6 in digital coupons brought my total down to $19.98. I did receive back my $4 registry reward for purchasing 2, bringing my total down to $15.98. And then I also received my P&G registry reward for spending $20 on P&G. That brought my total down for both products to just $10.98 or $5.49 each. So that is a really good price for both of these items. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. And then also on this transaction, this printed off for me, save on your favorite, save $150 when you buy 3 boxes of any General Mills cereal. So here is my receipt. So there's both boxes of the Cheerios at $2.79, so $5.58 total. The Downy Unstoppables, $5.49. Downy Liquid, $5.49. Tide Pods, $5.49. Tide Liquid, $5.49. The Downy White Beads, $12.99, and the Tide Pods, $12.99. I also used quite a few registry rewards on this transaction. I used a total of $20 in registry rewards. And then my $3 came off for the Tide Pods, $3 for the Downy, $2.05 for the smaller bag of Tide Pods, $2 for the Downy Unstoppables, $1.50 for the Tide Liquid, the $1 for the Downy, and then the $1 for the Honey Nut Cheerios. So it brought my subtotal to $19.97. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for that. It does not show on the screen, but I did get back, on my receipt, but I did get back a total of $10.53 in Walgreens cash rewards. My total came out to be $19.97, but of course I had to add back in the $20 in registry rewards that I used. So with me adding back in that $20 in registry rewards, brought my total up to $39.97. And as I mentioned, I did get back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards and $10.53 in Walgreens cash rewards. The $10 came from my digital booster, get $10 when you spend $45, and the 53 cents is from the Walgreens everyday points. So that brought my total down to $29.44. And then I got back a total of $14 in registry rewards. I got back my $5 for the $5.49 priced P&G products. I got back my $4 for the $12.99 P&G products. And then I got back the $5 registry reward for spending $20 on P&G. So that brought my total down to $15.44. And then I did get back my $1.50 over on IBOTTA for both boxes of the Honey Nut Cheerios, bringing my total down to just $13.94. And then lastly, I submitted my receipts over to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of $3.02. So that brought my grand total down to just $10.92 for every single thing that you see right here, which is a really, really good price. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that transaction, but I did want to go ahead and let you guys know about this clearance candy at Walgreens, just in case you guys don't know about it. So these are the 4th of July colors. This is from when the 4th of July was here. These are regularly priced at $4.99, but they are on clearance at Walgreens for $1.50. And then also a part of that is the Tootsie Rolls. These are priced at $1.49 as well on clearance. And then lastly, this bag of Airheads. This is priced on clearance at $1.49 as well. But not only that, for the Airheads, Checkout 51 does have a 50-cent rebate. So you will pay $1.49, submit your receipt to Checkout 51 for 50 cents. It'll make this bag just 99 cents, which is good. And the limit on Checkout 51 is 5, so you can get 5 bags of these for just 99 cents. So yeah, that is going to be it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up right now. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys are getting this week from Walgreens. Also, let me know if there are any paper spin boosters printing off for you. So yeah, you guys, using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will get some extra points. And then the same thing with IBOTTA. If you're not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive some extra bucks from IBOTTA. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one.